Now that summer's here, people from all walks of life are packing their bags and flying halfway around the world and further to see how other people live, enjoy the warmer weather, relax, and go on exciting adventures. If you're going on holiday this summer, check out our list of the best travel accessories to use. Let's look into the 20 gadgets for summer you must have. Number 20. CGear Sand-Free Beach Mat. Most people look forward to spending at least part of their summer holiday at the beach, where they can enjoy the water and learn to live with the sand. But thanks to technological advances, there's now a partial answer to the annoying problem of sand showing up in strange places 6 weeks after you've been to the beach. This sand-free mat can only move sand in one direction, so the sand falls through the cloth and disappears right in front of your eyes. It might not look like much, but don't let that fool you. You won't have to put up with sand-filled sandwiches ever again. Number 19. Sunnylife Underwater Camera. When you're at the beach, you might want to take pictures of the scenery, including some of the marine life that lives underwater. The Sunnylife Underwater 35mm camera is one of the more traditional ways to reach this goal. It takes pictures up to 6.5 feet below the surface of the water by using film instead of digital sensors. Number 18. Watershot Pro Housing for iPhone. If you want to do things in a more modern way, you can easily turn your iPhone into an underwater camera by adding a case called the Watershot Pro Housing. The housing will protect the phone from the elements, and it also has a special lens that lets you record video while the phone is underwater. Number 17. WhiteShark Underwater Scooter. Since you'll already be in the water, you might as well move quickly in the direction you want to go. The WhiteShark Underwater Scooter is a great way to give your snorkeling, swimming, or diving a boost while you're doing them. You only have to hold on to the handles and the device will move you through the water. Number 16. PowerRay Underwater Drone. If you really want to see what's at the bottom of the ocean and don't feel comfortable scuba diving, you can use an underwater drone to see what's down there without ever touching the water. The PowerRay can dive to a depth of 30 meters and take both still photos and videos. Number 15. Kindle Voyage. Bring a book with you if you're going to the beach or sitting by the pool. A single piece of technology might have dozens or even hundreds of books about it. The Kindle Voyage is one of the best models on the market. It has a high-resolution screen, a battery that lasts for weeks, and page press sensors that make turning pages even easier than it already is. The Kindle's now the most popular device for reading books on the market. Number 14. Solar-powered charger bank. Most people take at least one electronic device on holiday with them these days, and the last thing you want is for your device's battery to die while you're out adventuring or spending the day at the beach. Number 13. Wireless headphones. It doesn't matter where you go, you absolutely need to have wireless headphones. No one likes it when wires get in the way, whether they're working out or just relaxing and doing nothing. If you have an iPhone, the AirPods are probably the best headphones for you to use. But if you want headphones that work in a wider range of electronic devices, you should look into the reasonably priced job-remove wireless headphones. Number 12. Beoplay Portable Speaker. Portable speakers are a must-have for anyone who wants to play music in a slightly more public setting, like at a pool party, on the beach, or while hanging out with friends. The Beoplay A1 portable speaker can play music for up to 24 hours on a single charge and is very easy to move around. Number 11. Protocol Video Drone. When we first thought about going on holiday, we didn't even think about bringing a drone. But those days are long gone, and drones are quickly becoming one of the most common ways to record videos and take still photos. The Protocol Video Drone can do all the flips and tricks, and it can record video for up to 40 minutes. Number 10. Breo Eye Massager. Many people just want to relax and take it easy during their summer holidays. If you have to take a long flight to get to your destination, it might be hard to do that task. Because of this, the Breo Eye Massager is the perfect solution. It uses a combination of air pressure and vibration to wake up tired eyes. Number 9. Fitbit Flex 2. If you want to be more active over the summer, you should probably keep track of how much work you're getting done. Not everyone wants to spend their summer break doing nothing. The Fitbit Flex 2 is a cheap activity tracker that can keep track of how many steps you take, how many calories you burn, and how long you're active for. Also, it's waterproof, so you can see how well you're swimming. Number 8. GoPro Hero 5. If you really want your friends to be jealous of your trip, bring a GoPro and show them the video you made of it. The camera is very flexible and can be attached to almost anything. It records high-quality first-person footage of whatever you're doing. The GoPro Hero 5 can record 4K video and it's waterproof, so you can record all your adventures both on land and in the water. Number 7. Bluesmart Smart Luggage. Innovative luggage can make packing and traveling a lot easier. The Bluesmart 1 is designed to be a carry-on piece of luggage. It has GPS, an integrated scale, remote locking, and a battery charger. In short, it has everything you could want from a suitcase. Number 6. Micro Travel Adapter. If you plan to travel a long way this summer, you should probably bring a travel adapter with you. Things you have to put in your bag aren't usually the most interesting, but the Micro is very small, works well, and looks great. Number 5. Micro Kickboard Luggage Scooter. The point of the summer break is to have fun. Why not also make traveling a lot more fun by bringing a bag that can be used as a scooter? You don't have to run to get to the door anymore. You can now glide there in comfort. Number 4. PackSafe Backpack. When you're planning your next summer trip, you should think about how you'll keep your things safe, especially if you're going to one or more crowded places. PackSafe makes anti-theft backpacks that make it nearly impossible for thieves to steal your stuff. The bag is made so smash-and-grab robberies won't work, and it even has a pocket that protects your electronics from being hacked. Number 3. Relax Now Inflatable Bubble Tent. Camping out under the stars is a fun way to spend the summer, and there's no better way to see the night sky than through the clear walls of an inflatable bubble tent. Even though you'll be protected, you'll still have a clear view of the sky. Be careful though, because the rocks below can be very sharp. Number 2. Camelback Purifier Water Bottle. Another one for people who like to keep themselves busy during the summer vacation. This small portable water filter is built right into the water bottle, making it very easy to use. You won't have to worry about drinking water that can make you sick again. Number 1. Free Move Hydration Pack. It's a good idea to bring a hydration pack on trips where you'll be doing a lot of physical activity, like camping or hiking. Being outside can be hard work. The Free Move Hydration Pack fits easily in your rucksack and makes it easy to keep track of how much water you drink during the day. That was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more.